Hello Norway, and welcome back to La Petite Box. Every month I import and deliver you the best of the best French products right to your door here in Norway. I'm not a big brown, it's just a French guy who loves good food and wants to share it with you guys. But enough talking. You're here to see an unboxing, let's do the unboxing of the box of the month. This time we are going to the south of France. Inside there are two French aperitif spreads. The first one, white bean hummus with truffle, very creamy, with a small touch of truffle. And the second one, butternut and hazelnut spread, very smooth, a little sweet, with a nice hazelnut flavor. So this month, La Petite Box is basically inviting you to have a little French apéro at home. And honestly, that is already a very good program. But for me, as you may know, La Petite Box is not only about the product, it's about the story behind the product. And because behind every artisanal product, there are real people, for this edition I had the chance to have a small talk with Sacha, the founder of Oh My Dip. So here is my short conversation with him. Hi Sacha, could you start, introduce yourself and tell us a bit more about the story behind Oh My Dip?
Hello, my name is Sacha and I'm the founder of Oh My Dip. Before this, I was working in advertising in Paris for about 6 years. But cooking has always been a big passion for me. It comes from my father and from my grandmother. So one day, I decided to change my life and start my own food adventure. Today, I produce vegetarian dips in the south of France, near Montpellier. For now, it's a small structure, mostly me, but with a lot of passion behind every jar.
Okay, I saw that you wrote on your website that the aperitif should be a moment of pleasure, but also the bien manger, eat well. Why was that important to you?
In France, before a meal, we have a meal named l'apéritif. It's a very important moment. It's about sharing, relaxing, and enjoying time with friends. But very often, the food is not very healthy. So with Oh My Dip, I wanted to keep the pleasure of the aperitif, but also bring better ingredients and more vegetables. For me, it's important that something can be delicious, but also good for you.
What kind of ingredients do you use to make your dips special?
My dips are 100% homemade and vegetarian. I try to use as many local ingredients as possible, all from south of France, especially vegetables. But sometimes I also use a few exotic ingredients, but only to bring interesting flavors. I also try to reduce waste in my production. All my organic waste will be used to feed the pigs or the chicken around me.
Okay, thank you. And how do you eat these two? Tell me.
At home, the easiest way to eat my products is during the aperitif with good breads or crackers. But you can also use it as you want, in a sandwich with roasted vegetables, or even in a bowl like a sauce. Do what you please.
Okay, I see. All right. And to finish, what would you like to say to people here in Norway who will discover your product through the next Petite Box?
I hope you will enjoy my dip through La Petite Box. My cooking is inspired by many parts of the world. I grew up with influence from Eastern Europe and North Africa, and I have lived all my life in South of France. So my recipes are a mix of culture, of flavor, and tradition. I hope this little taste of my kitchen will travel all the way to your table. Enjoy.
And we are back. And this is exactly why I created La Petite Box. Not to sell huge quantities, but to create a small bridge between French artisans and people here in Norway. Now, I also want to say a very warm thank you to everyone who already ordered this edition. Because once again, this is a very limited production, and well, the next question could be, what's the next? What's the next box? Well, the next edition is coming soon, and just like this one, it will be a very limited edition with probably 30 to 40 boxes, because, yeah, you know, I just want to keep the quality, the good quality, and to stay something fun for me to do. So here it is. So if you're not yet on the waitlist, I really recommend you to join it. The link is in the description. See you soon. Bye.